Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to read odd and even count peyote stitch patterns so you can make now your own jewelry. Most of the time patterns are coming in this form. You have bead legend, bead chart and word chart. So bead legend is what kind of beads you need to finish your pattern. You know, I advise you to not to go after the names of the beads. You go after the numbers, because different companies are using different names for the same numbers. Here you have color A, B and C. You have the name of the color, and you have count how many beads you need to finish the whole pattern. Now you will have also technique, in this case even count peyote stitch, how many columns you have, how many rows. So 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows. You remember that I was showing you how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So zigzag. You will have width, length of your bracelet, ring, whatever, type of beads what you're going to use, and number of colors. And of course we have a word chart, what is the same as the graph, the bead chart. So I usually use a word chart because it's much easier for me to follow. Bead chart is nice to have, but if you have more colors or some difficult pattern that it's very difficult to see, well, it's difficult for me, yeah, to see what the numbers. Okay, now let's go. Usually in the patterns is also written from where to start to read the pattern. You can start to read from the bottom or from the top, from the right or from the left side. I usually start from the right side, from the bottom, and then I bead up. Pick up A, 2 C's, 2 B's, 2 C's, 2 B's, and A. Okay, now let's see, the word chart is the same thing. 1 A, that is this one, 2 C's, 1, 2, 2 B's, 1, 2, because you know this is the first row, zigzag. 2 C's, 2 B's, and 1 A. That is the first 2 rows. Now let's do the third row. So these were going from this side. Third row is, you are going to work in peyote stitch. You are going to pick up A and pass through B, yeah, pass through B, then C, pass through C. Doesn't matter now from how you are going to pass through, but the beads in the third row are A, C, B, C, B. That's it. In the word chart, A, C, B, C, B. A, C, B, C, B. Now, the fourth row, starting from here. A, B, C, B, C. A, B, C, B, C, etc., etc. So, bead chart for even count peyote stitch, it's not a big deal. It's you can choose how you're going to read. Are you going to read a bead chart or word chart? You can also place some paper here and go and move it how you are going. Depends how you're looking. Sometimes I watch on my computer, I watch the pattern, and then I have my system how to do that on the screen. But this was how to read even count peyote stitch. Okay, let's go odd count peyote stitch. A lot of people are afraid and don't like odd count peyote stitch because of that special turn what we have on the end, but it's really not a big deal. Okay, in odd count peyote stitch, as I told you, you have two closed side or two open side. You remember that I said it's open side, so this is those are two open sides, so it's a down bead, those are up beads. Or closed side, they are closed with the bead. Now here I start from A and go up. So the stringing row is A, B, 2 C's, 2 B, 2 C's, 2 B, A. That is a stringing row. A, B, 2 C's, 2 B's, 2 C's, 2 B's, and 1 A. It's the same thing. And now this is the tricky one. Third row, you go from left to right. In my case, yeah. You have to add in peyote stitch A, C, B, C, B. This is the bead before the last bead. With this bead, you're going to pass through B and through A from the stringing row. So you go through 2 beads from the stringing row. Then you're going to pick up this A and you're going to pass through the second one to B. Then you are going to make a turn, what they show you how to make a turn. So you can choose to go B, C, back, you know, like this, or you can, because you are here, you can choose to go C, up B, back B, A, and exit through the last added bead. Okay, that means that you will, and that last bead, so we said is this one. So you read the pattern and you add those beads, and your last bead, what you have to add is this one. So you have to take care. It will always be on this side. The turn will be on this side, and that is the last. So fourth knot. So in the so this is the third, fourth, fifth. In the fifth row, this is the last. This is the turn bead. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Next row, fourth row. 1 C, B, C, B, C, C, B, C, B, C. That's not a problem. That one is okay. But now we go back. Fifth row. You have to add A, B, C, B, C. With that C, you are going to pass down through C and A. Then you are going to pick up this bead and pass back through C from the previous row. Then you are going to make a turn. Let's do it like this. You go down B, up C, back to C, through C, down to A, and back through the last added bead. Now you can start, you are exiting from here, and you can start sixth row, B, C, B, C, B, etc., etc. So actually every row back from, you know, fifth, seventh, 7, 9, etc., at the end we'll have a turn. So you are going to do the turn here, and this is the last bead, so it is going to be here, you know, at the end of each row. That is going to be last bead, but you're going to add and make a turn and exit through the last added bead and continue with the next row. So, not a big deal. See you in the next lesson.